like a mohawk.
You like your mohawk?
It's like what our kids.
Yeah?
I'd be playing a bathroom.
What's your favorite part about your mohawk?
I see your picture of the one. I have a mohawk.
Yeah.
I see the other one. No, the other one.
What other one? There's all of them.
And me
Are you recording
holding the spray bottle.
Yep.
I got fluffy ones.
You got a what?
Oh no, fluffy. Oh.
Is that your mean face?
That's
That's not nice to say.
What? This one I just said. That one.
No, that's not nice to say.
Oh, that one.
Okay.
That one's happy.
That one is happy.
I'm happy and my kid.
Colton, what are you doing?
What? Looking at all of them.
At all of what?
On my pictures.
What kind of pictures are they?
Mohawks.
Mohawks?
Yeah.
Are they your mohawks?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your mohawk? Two fingers at one time, Colty?
Look at me.
Did you get anything? Are there boogers in there? Let me see. No, don't. Ew! Colton, stop! Let me see up your nose. Are there boogers in there? Tilt your head. I'm not gonna pick your nose. Disgusting. There's a real booger on my arm. Stop. Uh-oh, your mohawk's deflating. Fixed. He's gonna go put some more gel in his hair.
Yeah, he's jealous.
We don't really need more, Colty. Your hair's fine.
Hi, baby.